everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to reset the default BIOS on an Afox IH61 motherboard. Resetting the BIOS to its default settings on an Afox motherboard involves a few straightforward steps. Let's see how you can do it. Start your computer or restart it if it's already on. As soon as the computer starts, press the delete key. The specific key may vary. Check your motherboard manual for the exact key repeatedly until you enter the BIOS setup utility. Once in the BIOS, look for an option like Load Setup Defaults, Load Optimized Defaults, Restore Defaults, or something similar. This option is usually found in the Save and Exit menu or under the main menu. After entering the Restore Default settings, confirm your choice. The system will immediately restart and the BIOS will now be reset. After resetting the BIOS, you may need to reconfigure certain settings such as the boot order or any custom settings you had previously configured. If you are unsure about any of the steps, consider referring to the motherboard manual or seeking help from someone experienced with PC hardware. By following either of these methods, you should be able to successfully reset the BIOS settings on your Afox motherboard to their defaults. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.